Respond on 10 Alpha. Research Center, 1314 Kinnear Road. Fire alarm A. Engine 51, ladder 13. Cross of North Star Road and Kenny Road.
Columbus Fire, Engine 51's on the scene. Single building. It's been evacuated. Not done. Be out investigating.
Engine 51 on scene. Single story, commercial building, nothing showing. Be out investigating.
Columbus Fire from Engine 51.
Engine 51, go ahead.
Yes, we've been told that this is a metal and hydraulic fluid fire. Go ahead and make this a working fire. Give us a working fire assignment.
Copy that. We will upgrade it to a fire.
Columbus from ladder 13. Are we going to battalion 3 on this?
Ladder 13, we got a working fire.
Yeah, we'll move this over to battalion 3, guys.
Copy, battalion 3.
12 operator 51 to interior 51 going to battalion 3.
Engine 51 operator. Start pulling on the door.
Hey, can you repeat that?
Pull the 250 pre-connect.
You want it at the front door?
Yes. Ladder 13 from Engine 51.
Ladder 13's on scene.
Yes, when we pulled up, they had pointed, there was some smoke coming from the eaves above, about in the middle of the building. We're trying to gain access to where the fire is.
Ladder 13 to everyone incoming. We got a hydrant in front of the building. 51's stretching. We're trying to find the fire right now.
Columbus Fire from 18 ISD out us. We're clearing the hospital. We're
Ladder 13, Lieutenant Grinder's going to have mobile command. We're making access to the fire room right now. Go in the main entrance. Follow the hose line.
Columbus Fire to the medic that just marked on here. What number were you again?
this medic 18.
Copy, I can add you.
Well, it's coming. Whoever grabbed the high rise pack off the truck. Ladder 13 roof, command.
13, walking one, go ahead.
Hey, boss, we got a heavy smoke condition and fire from the roof. We're going to need another company up here.
Copy, we're forcing entry to the fire room right now.
Battalion 3 on the scene.
Ladder 13 to Battalion 3.
Go ahead, ladder.
We've got a well-involved fire. Right now it appears to be isolated to one room. We're stretching. I'll let you know when we get some water on it.
Okay. What companies do you have inside?
Ladder 13 and engine 51.
Copy. Columbus Fire Battalion 3, Chief Ruddle has command.
Engine 25, command. We're inside with the backup line off of the gauge of flight. We're with the interior crews now.
Okay, 25. Columbus, if you haven't yet, make this a working fire.
Ladder 13, roof to command.
Go ahead, ladder 13.
Hey, Chief, I need another line up here to the roof. I got exterior fire. If I can get it knocked down now, we can stop it up here.
Okay, we'll work on getting you a line to the roof. We'll come from the A side.
13 roof copy.
And it's 7. With hydrant next to us here, are you going to be able to stretch a line? Maybe stretch a guard and lay over to the A side for the roof.
Ladder 13, interior to command.
Go ahead.
All right, this may be being fed by some kind of fuel in here. We hit it with a hand. It's not changing any conditions. We also have fire above us. In between what appears to be a drop ceiling and the roof.
Engine 13 on the scene.
Okay, I copy your conditions. What's the heat smoke conditions you have around you inside?
We got a fair amount of heat, but good visibility. Stand by.
Battalion 3 from SO2. I did a 360. There's nothing else remarkable other than what you see from the Alpha side.
Okay, thanks.
Columbus Fire Medic 71's en route to Kinnear.
71 route. Ladder 1, see if you can get it all clear.
Copy, Ladder 1's get all clear. We're moving in. We're going to be about 51 right now unless you want us to move.
13 interior.
Go ahead.
We got a pretty good knock on it with the engine 3/4. I can't tell if we did anything up above, but in the actual fire room, we're in good shape.
Okay, we're going to take care of the roof fire right now from the exterior.
1 to 3 on IC.
Columbus Fire Battalion 72's en route.
Engine 7 driver, whenever you're ready, you can charge that 3-inch.
Engine 25 interior. We're getting a good knockdown from inside. Looks like we still got heat on the roof.
25, you're kind of garbled. Try it again.
Ladder 13, what you're saying is we knocked out in the fire room. And whatever we can reach from the roof looks like it's knocked out as well.
Okay. From the interior, conditions look good. We still got a significant amount of fire on the exterior at the roof level we're getting ready to work on.
Copy that. I'm going to try and see if we can make access to any adjacent rooms and see if there's any extensions.
Okay, 13, let me know what resources you need inside.
Engine 7, water's coming. Shut it down. Shut down the 3-inch. Shut down the 3-inch.
Rescue.
Ladder 1 to Kinnear. We got an all clear on the offices on the Alpha side. 1 to 3.
Copy.
Engine 7, charge that 3-inch again.
1 to 3 on IC.
Go ahead.
Hey, Mike, I'm on the Delta side, on the CD corner of this thing. It does look like it's pumped heavy from this back corner. I'm going to try and, I'd like to see Ladder 1 get around here to the side. They could get the stick up and then be able to help out a little.
Okay, you can if you can give them directions directly, go ahead.
Yeah, I already did.
Ladder 13 interior stand.
Go ahead, Ladder 13.
We have light smoke conditions in here at this point, and it appears we do not have any extension into the adjacent area.
Okay. All right, Ladder 13. Good conditions on the interior now. We have a knockdown on the exterior fire on the roof. We're just going to have to check to see if it's spread at all. We got a couple companies up there now. Let me know if conditions change on the interior at all.
Copy that, will do. We have enough resources for right now, interior.
1 to 3. Hey, improved considerably from my side over here. Black to white over here.
Okay. Looks good from your side now?
Yeah, great improvement.
Anything from that side where you see we can't contain it, tie up on scene?
Oh, definitely. It's really calmed down.
Engine 19's on scene.
Engine 7, we got the bulk of the fire knocked down on the roof. We're going to get 50 more feet of engine 3/4 up here, and we'll extend up closer and hit the rest of it.
Okay. Engine 7, do you see anything from your position that we can't contain it with on-scene companies?
Negative, sir. No, we look all good up here.
Command, Ladder 13, conditions inside, warrant, contain.
That's affirmative.
Command of Columbus, situation contained on Kinnear Road. All clear, situation contained, tie up on-scene companies.
All companies on scene at 1314 Kinnear Road. Battalion 3 has a situation contained, all clear, tying up all companies on scene.